वीडियो में मैं आपको वो तीनों फेजेस जो आप लोगों ने प्रेजेंट डिफरेंट टेंस के रिकॉर्ड किए होंगे, देखे होंगे हमारे वीडियोस। आज का जो वीडियो नंबर 12 होगा वो उन तीनों फेजेस से रिलेटेड होगा जो प्रेजेंट डिफरेंट टेंस आपको सिखाता है। मैं आज सिर्फ आपको सेंटेंसेस दूंगा। सेंटेंसेस आप परख लोगे अच्छी तरह से कहाँ पे मैं किस तरह से वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करूँगा। जैसे पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव पर मैं आऊँगा। पॉजिटिव में मैं सब्जेक्ट साथ साथ चेंज करूँगा। आप देख रहा कि सब्जेक्ट्स की चेंज के साथ ही नवियत ही बदल जाती है वर्ब की प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में। आई गो टू श्रीनगर ऑन संडेज बट आई डू नॉट स्टे इन सोपोर। आई के साथ आप लोगों ने देखा क्या हुआ वर्ब को। अब अगर आई की जगह मेरा फ्रेंड, माई फ्रेंड गोज टू श्रीनगर ऑन संडेज, गो को गोज हो गया, बट ही डज नॉट स्टे इन सोपोर। I play cricket in the morning, but I do not play football. My friend plays cricket in the morning, but he does not play football. Does not आ गया, वहाँ do not आ गया. They play hockey in the evening, but they do not play cricket. They के साथ फिर do not, I के साथ do not. You go to park in the evening, but you do not go in the morning. आप देखो यू के साथ फिर डू। शी washes clothes in the morning, but she does not wash in the evening. He takes Coca-Cola, but he does not take Pepsi. He presses clothes, but he does not wash. My friend takes Kashmiri tea, but he does not take Lipton tea. I take rice, but I do not take bread. My sister takes Kashmiri tea, but she does not take coffee. कोई आपको पूछेगा what your mother does every day. You have to use present indefinite tense. Few sentences I will make. My mother wakes up early in the morning. She makes ablution and offers namaz. After that, she recites Quran for some time, the Holy Quran for some time. After that, she goes to kitchen and prepares tea for the entire family. After taking tea, she again goes to kitchen for cooking purpose. What your friends do daily? Now, नवियत बदल जाएगी. My friends wake up early in the morning too. They go to playground and do exercise there at least up to 7 a.m. They return home and take heavy breakfast. After that, they prepare themselves for going to office. देखो my friends जब आया तो वर्ब की नवियत बदल गई. सवाल जवाब कुछ मैं आपको इंटरव्यू पे ले चलता हूँ. Do you go to market in the morning? Yes, I go. No, I do not go. Do you play cricket in the evening? Yes, I play cricket in the evening. No, I do not play cricket in the evening. Positive answer, negative answer. Does your sister wash clothes? Yes, she washes clothes, but she does not press them. Likewise, if you will be told about your parents, what they do. My parents wake up early in the morning. They offer prayers and after that they take breakfast. You can see there is no change in the verb. Now, if it is only your father, your brother, then there will be asset es in addition to the basic verb. My brother wakes up early in the morning. He goes to playground and does exercise for 1 hour daily in the morning. After that, he returns home and takes breakfast. After taking breakfast, he reads for some time, recites the Holy Quran, and then he goes to duty up to 3 p.m. At 3 p.m., he returns back to home. What my friend does on Sundays. On Sundays, my friend wakes up late. He goes to his personal park and trims plants and waters them also. After watering and trimming the plants, he goes to his kitchen and takes breakfast. After that, he visits his neighbors and also to his relatives on Sundays. Sometimes he goes to Mughal Gardens or some other tourist area where he enjoys the day. Thank you very much. This was just the repetition of present positive phase, negative phase, and interrogative phase. Hope you might have understood. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.